Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set Granny Game to full screen display. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Tap on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Granny. Now scroll down your screen and here you can see full screen mode under advanced settings option. Now you'll just have to turn on the button of full screen mode option. So that is how you can set Granny Game to full screen display. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.